to Sabanda. He bowled him first ball. In with the arm. First time he's facing Suman Ben, and that's Ben's stop ball with the arm. Sabanda on the back foot when perhaps he should have been forward. He's given him, well, he had to beg for it. Suman Ben, umpire Malcolm took some time, considered it. Caught behind, 3-go. This is now more than just a horrific start for the Zimbabweans. They've lost 3 wickets.
Back to test status.
Right, obviously a bit under pressure, but that's a beautiful shot through the covers, so maybe some optimism coming out there in the middle too. Thank you very, very much, Alistair. Back to you guys in the booth.
Bowled him with a no ball. Right through him. Well, Kemar Roach does have this problem. He seemed to have sorted it out. And it's gone through. Won't go all the way. Got some hand on it. Chandapol at backward point. And very fast outfield. So they've come back for a third. Bowled him. Right between bat and pad. Suman Ben. What a return to West Indies cricket.
Zimbabwe profit from one down the leg side. Just deflected for a 4. Leg buys.
That's well hit. Nice. Free of the hands. Very pure shot. Hitting that to the left of the mid-on.
Playing again. And as I said, rightly said, it's been frustrated not being able to play a game that I love.
Zimbabwe, big 6 there for Zimbabwe. They needed that. West Indies must be happy with the West Indies performance at the moment, though.
By Dwayne Bravo. Well, that was a very, very loose shot. Slow ball from Sammy, completely deceiving Lamb, and Lamb goes middle stump.
First ball in from there, Zimbabwe. They've been awful.
Just wide, yep. It'll go, I think. Outfield very fast and gets there. Just wide of Ramden. He may just have got the glove to it.
You know, every game that we play from here on is very important. You know, we've started saying that, you know, this is the start, and we're getting used to the wickets. We're getting used to everything that's happening here in the West Indies, and that's good.
We lost a key batsman there. Let's go back to the commentators.
Make that 10.
That's nicely put away.
Another no ball, and this one's been hammered through extra cover for 4. They've counted for most of them, and that's 6. Picked up and hit high and hard over mid-wicket. Well-timed shot from Chigumbura.
Well, we told you he's got 60 or 59 balls in a previous innings, and he's again showing that kind of power.
Well, he's bowled him. Neck and crop. Darren Sammy to bowl the final over. That's hit high, is hit hard, and it's not going to stay with us. Big 6 over long off.
Giving the Queen's Park members a good look at it. Straight.
And this could be out. Chandrapal is under it. Or is it Bharat? And it's taken. Didn't get hold of that one. That's hit high as well. There's a man under it. Will it clear the boundary? No, it won't. Looks to be Kieran Pollard on the long on boundary. And it's another for Sammy. That's his 5th. Right through the gate.
And Sammy celebrating as he did in England. Different conditions.
And here's the card. Doesn't make great reading. Just Mazakatsa, Lamb and Chigumbura getting into double figures. Mazakatsa, the mainstay of the innings, 44 and 57, was very entertaining.
It's about the runs now.
Well, yeah, it'll be interesting to find out from the players exactly what this pitch has been like. Oopsie. What's going on? What's going on? You said he played some good shots, Ian, and wow, he's got himself some width. He's even given himself a little bit of width and slid it through the offside. Listen to that crowd.
Nice scoop with the turn from Shignarai Chandapol.
And he's gone. He's bowled him. Ray Price exerting pressure, and Bharat just collapsing under the pressure, going after it. There goes Fletcher, and he's going to be out, caught at mid-wicket. He picks out the fielder right into his lap. Didn't strike it well enough, got under it. Power play gone. Hutsia gets the wicket. Bowled him. Well, Pollard goes. Creamer strikes with his second delivery. And a disappointment here for the crowd. Comes in. Big appeal out, leg before, first delivery. Pulling right across the line. Zimbabwe happy here now. They've got 4 down. The 4 young West Indian batsmen have gone.
Smith and Sammy. Oh, that's close. That is close. Finger goes up. Another one gone. It's Chandapol. Dropped on 16 by Kramer, but Kramer will be breathing a sigh of relief now that Lamb has gotten that wicket. Will attempt to dip. Yeah, there he goes, and he's connected it well. He's gone into the second tier, loves the leg side, and will look to hit with the spin of Mexican area as an off spinner. Yeah, Dreddy, he's got the ball, has he?
Brilliant catch. Those are the kind of catches which win matches. Prosper Hutsia holding on to a blinder. Dangerous man, Dwayne Smith, and a tremendous catch by Hutsia. Hold him. Kramer is struck. Sammy goes. West Indies collapsing towards defeat here. 65 for 7.
Well, slap down the ground, 4 runs. It's amazing the difference with a seam bowler, how much easier it is to hit. Ball coming on just a little bit better, but what a good slap.
Down the ground and out, undropped. Well, it was heading for a 6, and really they should have come for the run. Oh, Ramden is very, very annoyed with Ramport. And that's it. So 79 for 7, and the Zimbabweans are whooping and hopping. Ray Price contributed significantly to the win with his opening spell, but everyone contributed in the field. Heavy defeats in Australia in 4 one-day internationals and 2 2020 internationals. Just arrived back from Australia last Thursday, coming into this match. Changes in the side, 5 new players, but it hasn't made any difference. Their weakness against spin bowling has been exposed on a pitch which assisted spinners, but really, having dismissed Zimbabwe for 105, you would have expected the West Indies to have gone up to them. They fell very well short indeed.